Welcome back to another DIY video. Today we're going to be working on my Porsche Cayenne. We're going to change out the rear glass hatch stabilizer bars. This right here holds this glass piece up. You'll notice that mine is falling down. It doesn't stay up on its own. So before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'm going to go over some tools you'll need here in just a moment. Some tools you'll need for this DIY, starting from left to right. You'll need some plastic trim panel removal tools right here. Your stabilizer bars. This right here is what I went with. That is the part number. You should get 2 of them. This right here is just a standard Torx set. I don't know exactly what key it is yet. I believe it's a T25, but just have a set ready. And let's get started. Before you get started, you obviously want to get your trunk popped open. Fortunately for me, my motor still works. Alright, get that into the up position, and we're going to go over here to this top side. So now you want to get to where the rear light is. Pry this open right there. Detach this. Put it somewhere safe. Get your plastic pry tool. It's held on by these little clips, so just try to get it on the clip and give it a soft tug. So there's going to be some clips that are holding this on. There's 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Those are the areas you want to pull to get this panel down. And that is what it looks like right there. I would say just pay attention again to where the clips are so you know where to apply pressure when you start pulling. What I like to do on mine is I like to check all the clips while I have the panel off. Makes it a little bit easier for install once we get to that point here. I'm just lining them all up. Next, you want to take this screw out of here. This is a Torx 27. Back it all the way out. There's only one. Up. So once you back that out, there's this airbag cover. Get something to pry it out. We can get your nail in there. Just get that cover off. This is a Torx 25. Back that all the way out because we're going to pull this down. Now you want to give it a soft tug. We need to loosen this up because this headliner is going to come down just a little bit. You get it. Just pull this off. Pry it off slowly. Now we're going to take this off completely. There's clips pretty much right along the sides. So follow it right up here at the top and pull it out of its clips if you just drag it slowly. I just get a flathead screwdriver like this. I found it to be a little bit easier if you put this right on the tip. You just give it a twist. Just kind of do that along the lines. This is what the panel looks like when it's off. If you dropped any clips like I did, just hopefully it doesn't fall back in there. But just put them back on, line them all up, so when you reinstall everything, it's easy. All right, torque's 25. There should be 3 of these. Two. One more. All right. I just switch over to power ratchet, just get this done a little quicker. This next part's pretty messy. You probably want to get some gloves. You don't have to though. I'm gonna loosen this up. It's hidden under this. Goodness gracious, there. You should replace these. I'm very likely just going to use my same ones. All right. There we go. This next part is a little bit frustrating, but it's not too difficult, but it's definitely frustrating. The strut portion right here that holds up the glass, it's located right here. So you got to pry it open, and then the other one's going to be this inner. I'm not going to be able to get the camera in there, but it's on this back side right here. So you got to open it out and pry it out slowly. I'll show you what it looks like here with the replacement part. So this right here is going to be in the replacement part. So as I mentioned, from this this top corner right here is going to be this right here. So you want to get a flathead screwdriver. Pry this in there like that and just pop it open like that. You want to do that on both ends. Pretty much you got to get them loosened like that before they pop out. It's gonna be hard to film too. I'm very likely gonna have to put the camera down, but here it is right there. I usually push. Whoops. There you go. See how mine's popped open right there? Now I want to push it away. Another flathead screwdriver, and it should pop off. Like that. Now you got to do the exact same thing, but for the inner one. The inner part down here. Oops. Under there. You can't miss it though. This is what it looks like. Terrible design, but we got them off. Now I'm going to put on my replacement part. You want to feed it in from the back first, and then try to put the tip on right here. Alright, so once you get the back in, this is the easiest way I found to do it. So if you get something you can use as leverage, like a flathead screwdriver like this, and just kind of twist it on. Pride on me. Missed it. Sorry, doing this one-handed. So. There we go. Nice. Okay. There it is. All in. All right, so it looks like everything's back in. So I'm going to go ahead and put all the panels back on. So I have all the panels back on. I'm officially done. You'll notice that my glass hatch now is fully open. It's no longer sagging. This completes this DIY. If you like this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It's not a very difficult DIY to do, but I will say it's there are some tight areas. So it's just space-wise, it's a little bit challenging in that regard. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.